In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or change a payment method in Agoda so you can book your next hotel or flight quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type Agoda into the search bar. Then head to the official website. Once you're on the home page, log into your account using your email and password or open the Agoda app and log in there. Logging in allows you to manage your bookings and payment details smoothly. After logging in, search for your hotel or flight by entering your destination, travel dates, and preferences into the search bar. Browse the available options and choose the one that best fits your needs. When you're ready, proceed to the checkout page. This is where you'll confirm all your booking details, so take a moment to review everything carefully. On the checkout page, you'll see the payment section. Here, you can add or change your payment method. Agoda supports multiple options including credit cards, debit cards, and online payment services like PayPal. Simply select your preferred method and enter the required details such as card number, expiry date, and security code, or sign into your PayPal account if you're using that option. Once all your details are correct, submit your payment to complete the booking. You'll receive a confirmation message or email letting you know everything was successful. And that's it. You've now added or updated your payment method on Agoda, making your future bookings smooth and hassle-free. Happy travels!